Hi guys, my name's Doug. Welcome to my messy garage. The last few videos that I've done, I've been looking at well-used Jeeps, looking for a potential project. And I'm back home this week, and I stopped by my local Chrysler dealer, and they happen to have this beauty sitting on the lot. It's a 2021, last year's model, and as such, given that it's February 2022, they've got it fairly heavily discounted. I believe the price they're asking right now is $38,000. It's a six-cylinder Jeep Sport. Not exactly the most loaded in the world. It's fairly stripped down, but it's brand new. You can kind of understand why I'm not willing to pay $12,000 or $13,000 or $13,000 or $14,000 for a 2001 rust bucket that's been cobbled back together. Everything just works. Flip up rear headrests. Nice little storage bin here at the back. Some tie down hoops for cargo. Removable top. Plug comes down out of here and plugs into this nice little socket. Tires are a 245 75 R17 17-inch wheels. The backup camera, although I think that's kind of standard these days. Black on black. It has a base model stereo. Does have power windows, although I don't know if you can get this with crank up windows or not. Automatic transmission. It doesn't have an automatic heating system in it. Tilt and tele steering. Auto dimming headlights. Power mirrors. It's just a really nice little unit. We've got a three-piece removable top. Here, the front section comes off in two pieces. The rear section. Speakers in the back. Not a bad little unit. Let's take it for a test drive. The Pentastar V6, nice peppy little thing. I've got it in 4 high right now, and it has fantastic traction on this compacted snow that I'm driving on. I wouldn't really call it ice, but it's definitely not bare pavement. I'd like to thank West End Motors, my local Chrysler Jeep dealer, for letting me take this for a little test drive. I think they're hoping that I'm going to buy it, but I'm looking for a project. This would be a fantastic base model to do a bunch of upgrades on. Putting some rock scrubbers, putting some bigger tires, probably change the gearing, that kind of thing. You know, there are there's a lot of potential, but it would also mean another vehicle payment, and that's a bit more than I'm looking for. It is definitely a short coupled vehicle, and what I mean by that is that the wheelbase is definitely shorter. It's choppier than a pickup truck, but it's not objectionable. Definitely having the coil springs all the way around helps the ride with the Jeep as opposed to the old leaf spring models. Listening to the removable top, I can hear kind of the wind whipping around a little bit. We're not going very fast. We're 66 kilometers an hour here, 42, 43 miles an hour, and definitely I can hear some wind noise on the roof. But if you buy a Jeep, you don't buy it for its luxury car sound and ride quality. You buy it because you want a rugged off-road vehicle, or at least I hope you buy it to be a rugged off-road vehicle. One mode I've noticed that isn't in this vehicle that I really do like in my Ram 1500 pickup truck is the auto four-wheel drive. This is the kind of like the ABS sensors to sense whether you're losing traction on your rear wheels, and when you do, it engages the front wheels, basically four-wheel drive, and that's quite a nice feature to have. This is either two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive or four-low. The instantaneous fuel economy, you know, driving around town here, it's not too bad. I would say similar to what I'd be getting with my pickup truck. We'll take it for a quick little run out on the highway here, and we'll see how it does. I have the cruise control set at 90 kilometers an hour, and we're kind of running 12 and a half, maybe slightly less, liters per 100 kilometers. Let's see if our Jeep driver waves at us. Nope. Window sticker's a little bit crumpled up here, but worthwhile looking at. Our base price is $37,765. Basically, that's what they're selling this whole thing for. And the list price on it is $47,990, so $48,000. They've got it listed, because it's a 2021 model, as at $38,000. 17-inch tires, 3-piece modular hardtop, 3.6 liter V6 with e-torque. That's a nice feature to have. I've got that in my truck. I really like it. The 8-speed automatic transmission. Not much in the way of convenience. Nice little machine. Well, I didn't really have a plan on buying this Jeep. This little test drive gives us some perspective. You can really see why I don't want to pay $13,000 or $14,000 for a rusted out 2001 when you can buy a brand new one for the equivalent of about $28,000. Thanks a lot for stopping by and checking out this video. If you've gotten this far, hey, why not throw me a thumb up, like, and subscribe to the channel if you think you might like to see some more content. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you in the next mess.